Hello, I'll be reviewing the SENCOR 3-in-1 sandwich maker. This is the waffle plate, while these are the grill plates. The sandwich plate is already pre-installed. You'll be seeing that shortly. Next are the indicator lights. The red signifies that it is plugged to electricity, while the green signifies that the plates are heating up. This is the power cord storage, while these are thermally insulated handles. These are the sandwich plates. To change the plate, press on the side lock and push it away from the plate, then lift with your other finger. To fix a new plate, push the part with the wider dent under the left and right hinge and you will hear a click which confirms that it has locked. If you need a detailed video, please let me know in the comment section. I washed the plates off camera. Note, do not submerge the plates in water. I also preheated the plates for 7 minutes without putting anything in them, just to get rid of any manufacturing smell. After using this 3-in-1 sandwich maker, I feel it's a very good buy because it is versatile as well as economical. I would totally recommend it and I do not have any complaint, at least for now. If you're interested in seeing how to clean this sandwich maker without submerging it in water, please subscribe and turn on your post notification so when I post that video, you'll be notified.